Hello friends, welcome to this tutorial. So in this tutorial I will be telling you that how to auto print the PDF documents in jsPDF. If I click this button here, you will see that a PDF file will be generated and it will auto load this print box here. So here you can just print this document here. So it is auto printing here by yourself. So you need to just add one method here in your code here to get this dialog box. So just close this and go to your file here. So I have already included the CDN of jsPDF. You can see that on the top here, and I have a button here which will call this function generate PDF. So let me just first of all have the document of jsPDF, initialize it. So this is a document. So here you can just add some text to it, doc.text, and let me add hello world, and the second argument will be the x coordinate and the third will be y coordinate. So now the business logic comes here to print it, to print dialog. So there is a function in jsPDF. So if you go to its documentation, you will find a function which is auto print. So this is a function we will use here, and this option we need to pass here variant is equal to non-conform. So just write this function doc.autoprint. This is a function. Inside this takes one option which is variant is equal to, in single quotes, non-conform. This is option. Now we just need to save the document. So doc.save. Inside this you can just give any name of your choice. Let's suppose I give print.pdf, and if I just now save this document, you will see that a PDF file will be generated with the auto print dialog. If I click generate PDF, you will see that print.pdf is generated. Now if I open this, you will see that this print dialog being appearing here, and now you can just take the printout, save as PDF, or you can just select the pages, copies, how many copies do you want to print, and in which color, black and white or colored. And you can always select more settings here and actually print the document by clicking this button. So in this simple tutorial we have looked at how to print out a jsPDF PDF document.